everybody. Today I'm going to be loading a roll of 100 TMAX black and white film into this Kodak Duaflex camera. And this is actually 620 film. It's 120 film that's been rolled onto a 620 spool. And I got it from the film photography project, so that way it fits into this camera perfectly. And so I'll show you guys how to do that now. So yeah, you just pop this open here. This opens. And you should have a loose spool, 620 spool. You put this up here. You actually have to pull this out and then you pop it back in. Make sure it's in correctly. Go. So it's winding. And this roll will go down here. Okay. So it looks like you can pull this out a little bit. Just here. Here. Take this sticker off. Seems to be in my way. It's always such a freaking nightmare. Okay. It's going in. That. It's spinning. Close it up. Then you turn it. Hopefully it will tell me when. I see something. Can't see a darn thing. Oh, here we go. There's an arrow. That's a good sign. Kodak 1. Yay. Okay, now we're going to take a picture. I've never used this camera before. This is my very, very, very first photo. It's the first one. See what happens.